Then we close the position, trailing stop of $1, or excuse me, of 10 cents. All right, so that one's all set. Let's see if, yeah, X is starting to move out too, so we'll do a buy there. That is also 1,000 shares, okay? So that one's all set. Alcoa moving out. Buy the 300. So there we go. Now we got everything on board. Everything has its 2-hour battle drill in place, and everything has its stop. And there we go. That's how we get something going at the end of the day. Thanks again for stopping by and watching the video. Come and check us out at www.thesnipersecret.com and like and subscribe or comment on these videos. Have a great day.